Why does modern poetry feel so different from Victorian poetry? Hi friends, in today's video we are going to look into the evolution of English poetry from romantic ideals to modern chaos. So today's video is basically about the difference between Victorian and modern poetry. Victorian poetry was written at the age of Queen Victoria in England. So it was written roughly between 1837 to 1901. On the other hand, modern poetry was written in the early 20th century. Now the mood of Victorian poetry is optimistic, moral, idealistic and emotional. On the other hand, modern poetry is pessimistic, it is fragmented, uncertain and it is experimental in nature. Now let us come to the themes of Victorian poetry. Victorian poets like to experiment with nature, morality, religion, social reform, love, patriotism. These were some of the themes of Victorian poetry. On the other hand, in modern poetry, modern poets like to focus on alienation, psychological conflict, urban life. These were some of the themes. Now, Victorian poetry revealed fate in progress and order. On the other hand, modern poetry revealed doubt, confusion and disillusionment. Victorian poetry is ornamental in nature, it is musical, it is also elaborate. Modern poetry is simple, it is direct, it is symbolic, but it is sometimes obscure. Now about the structure. Victorian poetry has regular rhyme and meter. On the other hand, modern poetry has free verse. It is written in free verse and it is experimental in structure. Victorian poetry is serious, reflective and sentimental in nature. But modern poetry is detached. It is ironic. Also, it is intellectual in nature. Concern over science versus religion is an important aspect. It is something a dominant factor in Victorian poetry. On the other hand, influence of psychology, modern science, industrialization, these are some of the themes of modern poetry. Now in Victorian poetry, nature is comforting and also it is spiritual. However, in modern poetry, nature is often shown as indifferent. Sometimes depiction of nature is fragmented in modern poetry. In Victorian poetry, the imagery is rich and it is descriptive. In modern poetry, imagery is symbolic and it is condensed. In Victorian poetry, narrative and lyrical poetry is noticed, while in modern poetry we see symbolism, imagism and stream of consciousness technique. Now in Victorian poetry, the poet is considered as a moral guide and teacher, but in modern poetry, the poet is an observer of modern chaos. So once more we are going to look into this difference between modern, Victorian and modern poetry. Victorian poetry is moral in nature, it is didactic in tone, and then modern poetry is written in free verse. Victorian poetry reflects interest in social issues. Modern poetry is fragmented, it is ambiguous. Modern poetry shows the influence of romantic poetry, and modern poetry shows inner psychology in the poems. Victorian poetry expresses both faith and doubt, but modern poetry shows urban and industrial themes. Victorian poetry is musical poetry with rhyme schemes, and modern poetry shows symbolism and imagery. Victorian poetry is emotional and descriptive, while modern poetry shows a sense of loss. Lord Alfred Tennyson, Robert Browning, Matthew Arnold, Christina Rossetti, these were some major Victorian poets. T.S. Eliot, William Butler Yeats, Ezra Pound, and W.H. Auden, these were some major modern poets. With this, we come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for being here. Bye.